Let us pray, man. Definitely have said. Machiavellian is Illuminati all through your body. The blows like a 12-gauge shot at. Feel me? And God said he should send his one begotten son to lead the wild into the ways of the man. Follow me. Eat my flesh, flesh of my flesh. Come with me. Hail Mary, run quick, Steve. What do we have here now? La 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 la. I ain't a killer, but don't push me. Revenge is like the sweetest joy next to getting pussy. Picture paragraphs unloaded, wise words being quoted. Peep the weakness in the rap game and sold it. Bow down, pray to God, hoping that he's listening. Seeing niggas coming for me, for my diamonds, and they glistening. Now pay attention, best me please, Father. I'm a ghost, and these killing fields. Hail Mary, catch me if I go. Let's go deep inside the solitary mind of a madman. Screams in the dark, evil lurk, enemies see me flee. Activate my hate. Let it break, kill a flame, set trip, empty out my clip, never stop to aim. Some say the game is all corrupted, fucked in this shit. Stuck, niggas is lucky if we bust out this shit. Plus, mama told me never stop until I bust a nut. Fuck the world if they can't dress, it's just as well. Hail Mary with me, Hail Mary, nigga, run quick, see. What do we have here now? Do you wanna ride or die? La 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 la. Come with me. Hail Mary, nigga, run quick, see. What do we have here now? Gonna ride or die. La 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 la. Penitentiaries is packed with promise makers. Never realized the precious time that bitch niggas is wasting. Institutionalized, I live my life a product made to crumble. Much too hardened for a smile, way too crazy to be humble. We ballin', catch me, Father, please, cause I'm callin'. In the liquor store, that's the Hennessy I hear callin'. Can I get some more? Hell till I reach hell, I ain't scared. Mama checking in my bedroom, I ain't there. I got a head with no screws in it. What can I do? One life to live, but I got nothing to lose. Just me and you on a one-way trip to prison, selling drugs. We all wrapped up, business living like the studs. To my homeboys and Clinton Max doing they did. Raise hell to this real shit and feel this. When they turn out the lights, I'll be there in the dark, but eternal with my heart. Now Hail Mary, nigga, come with me. Hail Mary, nigga, run quick, see. What do we have here now? Do you wanna ride or die? La 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 la. Come with me. Hail Mary, nigga, run quick, see. What do we have here now? Do you wanna ride or die? La 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 la.
They got an APB out on my thug family. Since outlaws run these streets like these scandalous freaks. Our enemies die now. Walk around half dead, head down. K blasted off a Hennessy and tie. Tronic mixed it, now I'm twisted, blistered and high. Visions of me, thug living, getting me by, forever live. And I multiply, survive by thugs. When I die, they won't cry unless they coming with slugs.
Peep the whole scene and whatever's going on around me. Brain kinda cloudy, smoked out, feeling rowdy, ready to wet the party up. And whoever in that motherfucker, nasty new street slugger, my heat, Zeke suckers on the regular, mashing in a stolen black act. Integra, cock back, zicky seconds to the draw, that's when I'm dead in your feet first. You got a nice gap, but my heat's worse. From a thug to preaching church, I gave you love, now you eating dirt, needing work. And I ain't the nigga to put you on, cause word is born. When I was broke, I had to hustle till dawn, that's when the sun came up. It's only one way up, hold your head, stay up. To all my niggas, get your pay and weight up.
If it's on, then it's on. We break beat breaks, outlaws on the paper chase. Can't relate to the shit I don't copy, the shit I gotta take. Dealing with fate, hoping God don't move the gate. If it's on, then it's on. We rate beat breaks, outlaws on the paper chase. Can you relate to the shit I don't copy, the shit I gotta take? Dealing with fate, hoping God don't close the gate.
Come with me. Run quick, see. What do we have here?
We've been traveling on this wavy road. Sometimes life could be an empty load, but we riding like a bullet. Hail Mary, Hail Mary. We won't worry, everything will worry. We fly like a bird in the tree. We won't worry, everything will curry. Yes, we're free like a bird in the tree. We're running from the penitentiary. This is the time for we liberty. Hail Mary, Hail Mary.
Hail Mary, nigga, run quick, see. What do we have here now? Do you wanna ride or die? Suicide, Outlaws, Machiavelli the Dawn, Solo, Illuminati, 7 days.